Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve Business Center Newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 7, 2023. Very hard Sudoku. Second row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then second grid, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 7, 1. Column E, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Then only one number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. 3 and 7 will confirm later. Third row, column D, we have pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then first grid, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 8, 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining 5, 6, 9. Ninth row, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then column E, only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 6, 4. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column B, column C. And fifth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Sixth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, fifth row and sixth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 8. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 5th grid, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column B and 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H, column J and 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 4th grid, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 9. 7th row, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 4th grid, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. 8th row, 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Column I also we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then second grid, only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Column H, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come here one of these cells. It will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th row, 8th row, 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column G, we get 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 6. 10th row, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3. It will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. Column I, 8th row, and 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 1st grade, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, the 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.